In the world of electronics testing, having the right oscilloscope can make the difference between guessing and knowing exactly what is happening inside a circuit. From compact handheld units to feature-packed diagnostic tools, these are the 5 best digital oscilloscopes in 2026, ranked based on performance, usability, and overall value. Number 5. Aneng AOS02. The Aneng AOS02 proves that a compact oscilloscope does not have to feel limited. What immediately stands out is how effectively it combines a digital oscilloscope and a multimeter into a single handheld device without making either function feel like an afterthought. For electronics hobbyists, repair technicians, and students, that kind of versatility can save both space and money. In actual use, the 10 MHz bandwidth and 48 megasamples per second sampling rate are more than capable of handling common troubleshooting tasks, circuit diagnostics, and signal verification. The automatic waveform recognition system is one of the biggest advantages here. Instead of spending time adjusting settings manually, a quick press of the auto button gets you a usable waveform almost instantly. That convenience is especially valuable when working on unfamiliar circuits. The 2.8-inch IPS color display is surprisingly clear for a device in this category. Viewing angles remain excellent, and waveforms are easy to read even under less than ideal lighting conditions. Saving and exporting waveform data is also straightforward, which makes documenting test results much easier. Battery life is respectable thanks to the rechargeable lithium battery and power-saving options. Safety features such as overload protection add confidence when measuring unknown signals. The biggest limitation is the relatively modest bandwidth, which may not satisfy users working with higher frequency applications. Still, for everyday electronics work, it performs reliably and consistently. Anyone seeking an affordable, portable oscilloscope with practical multimeter functionality should strongly consider the Aneng AOS02. Number 4. Bside O9. The Bside O9 takes a different approach by packing 3 essential tools into one device. It functions as a digital oscilloscope, a true RMS multimeter, and a signal generator, creating a highly capable testing platform for technicians who prefer carrying one instrument instead of several. What impressed me most is how balanced the overall package feels. The 50 MHz bandwidth and 250 megasamples per second sampling rate provide enough performance for a wide range of electronics diagnostics. Dual-channel capability allows direct comparison between signals, which can significantly speed up troubleshooting. The large high-definition display is another strong point. Data is presented clearly, and navigating through measurements feels intuitive. The automatic range adjustment helps beginners get productive quickly while still offering enough flexibility for experienced users. Its built-in signal generator adds real practical value. Being able to generate test signals without reaching for another device streamlines bench work considerably. The ability to adjust frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle makes the feature genuinely useful rather than just a marketing addition. Battery endurance is excellent. During extended testing sessions, the 5000 mAh battery provides enough runtime to avoid constant charging interruptions. The protection systems also inspire confidence when measuring higher voltages. There is a learning curve because of the number of available functions, and some users may need time to become comfortable with the menus. Once mastered, however, the Bside O9 becomes an extremely versatile diagnostic companion. It is an excellent choice for users who want maximum functionality in a single portable device. Number 3. Tooltop ET829. The Tooltop ET829 feels like a tool designed for users who regularly perform serious diagnostic work. From the moment you start using it, the stronger specifications and expanded storage capabilities become obvious advantages. Its 80 MHz bandwidth and 250 megasamples per second real-time sampling rate provide enough performance for demanding repair and analysis tasks. The dual-channel design allows simultaneous monitoring of multiple signals, making it particularly useful in automotive diagnostics, power electronics, and complex circuit troubleshooting. One feature I appreciated is the waveform preview window. Instead of constantly scrolling through captured data, you get a broader view of the signal, helping identify anomalies faster. The automatic measurement functions also reduce setup time while maintaining accurate results. Storage capacity is another area where the ET829 excels. The ability to save hundreds of waveform records and thousands of measurements makes it especially useful for technicians who document projects or compare results over time. Combined with computer connectivity, it becomes a powerful analysis platform rather than just a handheld tester. The integrated signal generator is also well executed. Frequency and amplitude adjustments are responsive, and the generated signals are stable enough for most testing scenarios. Battery performance is strong, delivering long operating times and convenient fast charging support. While the interface can initially seem feature-heavy, experienced users will appreciate the additional control and flexibility. For professionals, advanced hobbyists, and repair specialists who need a portable oscilloscope capable of handling more demanding workloads, the Tooltop ET829 offers an impressive blend of performance, storage, and diagnostic capability. Number 2. Zeeweii DSO3D12. The Zeeweii DSO3D12 stands out by bringing desktop-style performance into a compact and approachable package. It feels less like a handheld gadget and more like a serious workstation designed for regular testing and development work. Its 120 MHz bandwidth immediately places it among the strongest performers on this list. Signal acquisition is fast, responsive, and accurate, making it well suited for engineers, advanced electronics enthusiasts, and repair professionals dealing with more complex circuits. The dual-channel setup allows detailed waveform comparisons, and the isolation between the oscilloscope and multimeter functions deserves special praise. In practice, this separation improves measurement reliability and reduces unwanted interference, resulting in cleaner and more trustworthy readings. The built-in signal generator expands its usefulness even further. Whether testing amplifiers, troubleshooting circuit responses, or verifying designs, having multiple waveform options readily available saves valuable time. Another highlight is the display quality. The IPS screen provides sharp visuals with excellent viewing angles, making long testing sessions much more comfortable. The ability to customize waveform colors may seem minor at first, but it genuinely improves readability when monitoring multiple signals. Safety is also a major strength. Protective isolation and anti-burn circuitry help safeguard both the instrument and the user when working with higher voltages. Its desktop-oriented design sacrifices some portability compared to smaller handheld models, but that trade-off brings a more stable and professional testing experience. For users seeking advanced performance without moving into expensive laboratory equipment, the Zeeweii DSO3D12 is an outstanding investment. Taking the top spot is the Fnirsi C23T, a device that delivers one of the most balanced combinations of portability, functionality, and everyday practicality available in 2026. What makes this oscilloscope special is not simply its specifications. It is how effectively all three major functions work together. You get a capable dual-channel oscilloscope, a highly accurate multimeter, and a versatile signal generator in a package that remains compact enough to carry almost anywhere. The oscilloscope itself is responsive and easy to operate. Waveforms display clearly on the 2.8-inch screen, and the measurement controls are straightforward enough for beginners while still offering the precision experienced users expect. The adjustable sensitivity range helps accommodate a wide variety of testing situations. The multimeter section is particularly impressive. Its 10,000 count measurement capability provides excellent precision across voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode testing, and continuity checks. In daily use, it often eliminates the need to carry a separate meter entirely. The signal generator further enhances its value. Multiple waveform options and fine frequency adjustments make it useful for calibration, testing, education, and general electronics development. Battery life is sufficient for most work sessions, and USB Type-C charging keeps recharging convenient. Although users working with very high-frequency signals may prefer a higher bandwidth instrument, the overall balance of features is difficult to beat. For technicians, educators, students, and electronics enthusiasts who want maximum versatility in a portable package, the Fnirsi 2C23T earns the number 1 position and represents the best overall value on this list. That wraps up our picks for the 5 best digital oscilloscopes in 2026. Each model offers something different, whether you prioritize portability, advanced diagnostics, or all-in-one functionality. Which one would you choose for your workspace? Share your thoughts below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews.